Garage door openers stalling mid-operation can be super frustrating, but it usually comes down to some easy fixes you can handle yourself. So, first off, if your garage door opener is stalling, check the motor for any burning smells or weird noises because that could mean it's overheating or the motor brushes are worn out. Next up, inspect the gears inside the opener. Sometimes they get stripped or broken, and replacing them can make a huge difference. Don't forget to unplug the opener and manually lift the door to see if it's heavy or binding anywhere. Sometimes the door itself is the problem. Make sure the tracks are clean and lubricated with a silicone spray, not grease, because grease can attract dirt and cause jams. Also, check the springs and cables for wear or damage, since these parts affect the door's smooth movement. If the safety sensors are misaligned or dirty, the opener might stop working mid-cycle, so wipe those lenses and adjust them if needed. Another thing is the remote batteries. Weak batteries can cause intermittent operation, so fresh batteries might fix your stall issues. Lastly, test the force settings on your opener. If they're set too low, the door might stall thinking something's blocking it. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with garage door opener stalls is ignoring worn gears and motor problems, which can lead to more expensive repairs later on. So if you hear grinding noises or see visible gear damage, replace those parts quickly. Another common issue is not cleaning and lubricating the tracks and rollers regularly, which makes the door bind and stall. A little silicone spray every few months keeps things moving smoothly. Finally, a lot of folks forget to check the alignment of safety sensors or clean their lenses, causing the door to stop mid-operation because it thinks there is an obstacle. Just realign and wipe them with a soft cloth to fix this easily. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know what they are doing. Plus, if you are a contractor yourself, it's a great way to get new work without all the hassle of marketing on your own.